Hi everybody, I got my modern Quilters box today. Very excited. Can't wait to open it and see what's in this one. It's well packaged. Here we go. Ooh, very pretty. Lovely greens. Just rip it in. Okay, details about what's in the box and what the values of everything is. Cute sampler block. Loving those colours. Ah, cute sticker. Maker's gonna make. We sure are. Modern handmade, modern quilters box. Oh, and the fabric. Oh, that has some, they got sparkles in them. That's got a gold sparkle.
Ooh, fabric unboxing.
Silver sparkles. More gold sparkles. Gosh, there's lots of fabric in here. Some gold accents. This is going to be fun to play with. Who's this fabric by? Oh, this is Wayside by Karen Lewis. Awesome. Oh gosh, and there's some more. Ooh, I might have to use this in my 100 days, 100 blocks. Beautiful. Ooh, yummy cute lolly. That's not going to last long. Fabulous pattern for a tote bag. And another pattern for a church window quilt. That looks fabulous. Oh, and some goodies. A cute little pencil that says seize the day. Definitely. Sunny orange ginger caffeine free tea. Lovely. And some needles. Can always use needles, can't we? How fabulous. Just like Christmas.